so excited and grateful for the opportunity that we had today as acceleration and advisory team here at Sinapis to host a number of entrepreneurs today as part of our Capital Connection series.
Entrepreneurs need successful businesses they can relate with. And I think that that's part of the ongoing issue, that there isn't enough stories to inspire these people. And I think one of the things that ESOs could do is to help identify and create opportunities and platforms like what Sinapis has done here today, so that other young entrepreneurs that are starting off can get to interact and learn from entrepreneurs like myself that have navigated the takeoff stage and, have our businesses at a certain level now.
And we are also engaging you to think more on what would it look like if men and women, if each one of us came together to work together, to collaborate, as our keynote speaker mentioned earlier, build networks that can help us build thriving businesses in Uganda.
Today, we've been exposed to a team of different panelists, and we also interacted with customers, and we were able to learn that businesses have to be done, but we should be able to build good networks that will help sustain businesses, to also have the good teams that we are working with.
I shared 5 critical things that I've learned over the years as an entrepreneur, and one of them, your networks are your capital. People invest in your business, people buy from you because they like you. It's a blueprint for how businesses operate. It doesn't matter which sector and what stage the business is. It's important that entrepreneurs invest in building their social capital. As an entrepreneur, surround yourself with the right people, be present in the spaces where those people are, and make sure that you're intentional about building those relationships. Is that as an entrepreneur, it's important that you stop building beautiful products and focus on solving ugly problems. It's the real issues that build great businesses. It's not the beautiful products or services. If you are solving a real issue, customers will pay. The other is trust. That trust is fundamentally everything. That you need to get to a point where your customers trust you enough that they're willing to pay for your product. They trust that if they pay, you will deliver. You have to be at a level where investors trust you with their money. As an entrepreneur, they back you. They don't necessarily back the product or the idea, because it's the vision and execution ability of the entrepreneur that matters at the end of the day. And fourthly, it's that it's not going to be easy, and it will take a much longer time, and it will be far more difficult and more expensive than you initially had imagined when you started your business. Entrepreneurship is not a bed of roses. It's tough, it's rough, it's a battlefield, but it is worth it. And as an entrepreneur, it's important that you understand when you're starting this journey as an entrepreneur, be prepared mentally, financially, emotionally, spiritually. Be prepared, when you start this journey. At the end of the day, it's the entrepreneurs that stay resilient enough that actually win. And finally, it's about the team. It's about the people that you bring on board. It's about the people that you keep. These choices that we make as entrepreneurs are very critical. You need a team that's battle ready. You need a team that is cut out for the kind of craziness that entrepreneurship brings along. As an entrepreneur, one of the most important skills you must possess is the ability to identify and find the right person, the right people, and make the hiring decision fast. And I know sometimes you might not have enough money, but there are many other innovative ways that you can grow your team without really dwelling on your ability to pay them or how much you pay. But the other thing is that don't get too attached to individuals. Be obsessed with the problem. Don't obsess with the people. If someone is not a right fit, if they're not hitting the metrics, if you don't think they're helping you grow the business and take it in the right direction that you want it to grow, let go.
We need to start imagining ourselves in the client's shoes, because remember, we're solving problems for clients. Imagine yourself, it's you who is going through that customer journey that you're giving an entrepreneur. So let's look at the journey that we give to our entrepreneurs. Let's look at the customer experience. These people will come back, they will become ambassadors, they will give us referrals.
They need to have a good discipline of managing their finances to ensure that the businesses they are investing in remain sustainable while making profits to help them to grow and become better than they started.
Stop chasing money, stop chasing clout, stop seeking validation. Focus on building the business. Focus on your customer. Listen to the customer. Focus on building a solution to the pains that your customers face every day. And when you do that, the money follows.
Yeah, so with that, you will have a very successful business.
We started this series way back in February this year, where we've been running multiple webinars, workshops, physical and online, inviting ecosystem players to just come and share with entrepreneurs in Uganda, founders in Uganda, what it looks like to actually be investor ready. I'm thankful for all the partners that came on board across the 12 months. Today was our grand finale, physical final webinar and workshop, as we met with over 35 entrepreneurs in the room. And today we were sharing in an interesting topic on cracking the hidden formula when it comes to building successful businesses. Thank you so much to the founders that were in the room, to the keynote speaker, to the panelists for sharing those insights. And we are looking forward to working with you in 2026. Merry Christmas and a happy 2026. Thank you.